Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you the best free PDF editor in 2026. So now here, as you can see, I have this PDF right here. I'm gonna simply drag it like so, then drop it in the Google Drive menu. So here I have opened my Gmail, then I'm gonna click on these dots on the top right side, then click on Google Drive, then click on New, then click on File Upload, then I'm gonna go to Desktop, then I'm gonna upload this PDF right here. And now here I have it uploaded. I'm gonna right click on it or click on show file location first. Now I'm gonna right click on the PDF, then click on open with, then click on Google Docs. After that, it will open with Google Docs like so. And now you can do any edits to this PDF like so. As you can see, you can add a photo, you can remove the text, you can add some charts, you can even change the color of the font. Let's say I'm gonna change it to yellow, for example, like this, or to red, like this. You can do any edits you want. You can even change the answers of these questions. These are questions for my study. So Google Docs is actually very effective free online option that you can actually use in order to edit any PDF that you want. You just have to do the same that I've shown you and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.